Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. For today's video, I have my empties for the month of June, and I am filming this a little bit early just because I kind of wanted to get it up and out of the way. I do have one product that I am decluttering, and the first product is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I do have the shade here, 01 Classic Ivory. I feel like the lightest shade is still too dark for me, and it's a little bit orange, and honestly, I don't know if this has gone bad on me, but it kind of has a weird scent to it now, and I don't know if, like I said, it's gone bad, but I don't remember it smelling like that. I haven't had this that long, but like I said, it's too dark for me, and I just don't really want to use it just because it's too dark for me, and I know I can mix it in with other things, but L'Oreal is not cruelty free. This was fine. I did like this when I first got it, but you know, it's not my favorite anymore, and you know, I'm just going to declutter it because I don't know, the scent just smells a little off to me, and I'm afraid to use it, especially underneath my eyes, and you know, I don't want to get a breakout or something, so I'm just going to get rid of that. In every Empties video, I have my Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes. These are my favorite. Simple does test on animals. I have like 2 or 3, I'm not sure how many more backups of these I have, but I have quite a few yet, and I need to get through them because these are my favorite, but they're not cruelty free, so I need to use them up and find something else. But yeah. This is a shampoo from Shea Moisture. This was the Dragon's Blood and Coffee Cherry Volume Plus Shampoo. That's a mouthful. And it's supposed to like cleanse and thicken flat thinning hair. I got this because Shea Moisture is cruelty free. I like the scent of this. It didn't really smell like coffee to me. It just smelled, you know, clean, and I liked it. But I don't know if I would repurchase this. Because I feel like it kind of left dry skin on my scalp, and my scalp is very sensitive, and a lot of times shampoos will make my head kind of itch, and you know, not the most pleasant thing. I am using a different Shea Moisture shampoo, and it's kind of doing the same thing. It could just be my scalp and the way it is, yeah, I like this brand and everything. I'm not sure that I would go out and repurchase this particular scent or, you know, bottle again, but it was fine and I like it. But let me know some of your favorite shampoos and conditioners that are cruelty free down below, because I'm kind of on the hunt for the perfect one. But yeah, this one was fine. Probably wouldn't repurchase anytime soon though, because I do like to switch up my shampoo and conditioner. Speaking of shampoo and conditioner, I have these samples that I got with some Ulta order, and I wasn't going to use them because my hair is not color treated, but I wanted to use them because I figured they were just so small, and that's the Bosley, I think, the brand, and it's the Professional Strength Nourishing Shampoo. There's a shampoo and conditioner, and this is supposed to be like for visibly thinning color treated hair. My hair is pretty thin, but it's always been that way, very fine and very thin, so I thought I would just use these. If I remember correctly, these had a very minty scent, and I liked them, but I only had one use out of them, so I couldn't really tell if it did anything for my hair. So I probably wouldn't repurchase these. I'm not sure. Oh, it does say on the back that they are cruelty free, which is nice. So I might consider looking into this brand and see if they have like other shampoos that would, you know, maybe work a little bit better for me. But I couldn't really tell with the one-time like use thing. But you know, it was fine. I have this Philosophy Purity face cleanser. I didn't use this on my face. I just had a little sample of this. I used up one of these before, but I used this to clean my beauty blender just because I don't really like this for my face, and I just wanted to use it and for my brushes because I already have so many other face cleansers that I'm currently using. I wouldn't repurchase this for that reason because I use it for my brushes, and Philosophy is not cruelty free, but you know, if I had a sample of it again, I would use it for my sponge or beauty blender, but not anything I would seek out to purchase. Speaking of cleaning brushes and beauty blenders, I have the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid. This is my favorite brush cleaner. It's totally gone, so there's nothing left. But this is really effective, I feel like, for my brushes, and I feel like it gets everything out of my brushes and my beauty blender. But yeah, this is my favorite, and I always repurchase this during the VIB sale, and or just whenever I need it. I like this, but it does go pretty quickly, I think. So if you do get this, be kind of cautious of that. If you have a lot of brushes and sponges, you're going to kind of go through this fast. But I think it's worth it because it's very effective. A makeup remover here I have is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. Again, this is in pretty much all of my empties. I know Neutrogena does test on animals, but my family just buys this, and I continue to use it just because we have it on hand and you know it works. So if I was buying it to myself, I would not probably purchase this one, but since you know my family continues to repurchase it and use it, I just kind of use it too. So you know, don't kill me, but yeah, I do like this, and you know I will continue to use it, but until I find something else or until I purchase something else. And then finally, I do have some makeup products here. This is a deluxe sample of the Cover Effects Illuminating Primer. This I liked, if I remember correctly, but I felt like it was a little bit dark for me. Like it was like a champagne kind of color when it came out. And I feel like for my skin, I really don't need an illuminating primer. I can always just use like a illuminating or more hydrating foundation if I want that. So I don't think I would seek this out and purchase it, but if I had a sample of it again, I would use it, but it's not something, like I said, I would go out of my way and purchase. I have the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in Trooper. This is my all-time favorite eyeliner. I did pick up during the 21 Days of Beauty the Stila liquid eyeliner. I haven't tried it yet just because I am currently using a deluxe sample of the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I don't really know if I'm going to be repurchasing from Kat Von D or not with all the controversy going on with her. I do like this, but if I find that I like the Stila one better, I might just go ahead and repurchase that one. I know the Stila one is a little bit more expensive than the Kat Von D one, but I haven't really made up my mind. Like I said, I like this. This is the only like liquid liner that I've ever really used. I mean, I've tried like other like liquid liners from the drugstore that I haven't really liked that much, but this is the only like high-end liquid liner that I've tried, and I like this. It works for me, so I don't know, I'm on the fence about it, but I have repurchased this and I've gone through several of these in the past, so I do like it, but just not sure how I feel about that yet. And then lastly, I do have two mascara samples here. This is the Makeup Forever Smoky Extravagant Mascara, and I've gone through a couple samples of these in the past. I really don't care for this mascara. Like, I don't hate it, but I wouldn't go out of my way and repurchase it or purchase it. I feel like the wand is way too big. It's like a Christmas tree shaped wand, and it's too big for my eye, and for the bottom lashes, I feel like I would always get it like on like my skin, which was annoying, but I just would go in with a Q-tip and take that off. But this isn't my favorite. If I had it again, I would use the sample, but I wouldn't go out of my way and purchase that. And Makeup Forever does test on animals. And then I have this Lancome mascara. This is the, what is this? I think it's Monasteer Big Mascara. I don't know if I said that right. Probably not. But this was by Lancome, as I stated, and it's a natural bristle wand or whatever. It was fine. I felt like it got a little bit goopy towards the end, and now that I'm looking at it, it kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. I've never noticed that before, but I don't think I would repurchase it. Well, I know I wouldn't just because Lancome is they test on animals, but if I had a sample, I would definitely use it. I'm not too picky when it comes to mascaras, unless it's like, you know, waterproof or something. I'm not the biggest waterproof mascara fan. But, yeah, if I had it again, I would use it, but it's not something I would seek out. So, that is everything that I used up in the month of June. It wasn't too much, but I feel like it's always kind of nice to share with you guys the product that I've used up and what I'm decluttering. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment and subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.